Fish scales graters scrapers are kitchen tools that are used to remove fish scales quickly and easily. They typically have a serrated blade that is designed to scrape off the scales without damaging the fish's flesh. Fish scales grater scrapers often have a cover to prevent the scales from flying around the kitchen. Here are some of the benefits of using a fish scales grater scraper. It is quick and easy to use. Fish scales grater scrapers are much faster and easier to use than traditional methods of removing fish scales, such as using a knife or a spoon. It is safe to use. Fish scales grater scrapers are typically made with safety features in mind, such as a covered blade and a non-slip handle. It is easy to clean. Fish scales grater scrapers are typically easy to clean with soap and water. Here are some tips for using a fish scales grater scraper. Rinse the fish. Rinse the fish under cold water to remove any dirt or debris. Place the fish in a sink or on a cutting board. Make sure that the fish is secure before you start removing the scales. Hold the fish scales grater scraper at a 45-degree angle. Position the fish scales grater scraper so that the blade is facing away from you. Scrape the scales off the fish. Apply gentle pressure and move the fish scales grater scraper in a direction that is opposite to the direction of the scales. Rinse the fish again. Rinse the fish under cold water to remove any remaining scales. Once you have removed the scales, you can cook the fish as desired.